Hi, today I decided to show you how to draw this pattern. Also, I decided to talk a little in the background just to practice my English. First, you need to set your compass to 7 centimeters between the needle and the pencil. And then draw a circle. Then you have to divide the circle into 12 parts. Basically, each of my videos starts this way. I draw a circle and then I divide the circle into 6 or 12 parts. So maybe you already know how to divide a circle. But if you still don't know, I have a video about this. Check in the description. Okay, now we have 12 points on the circle. Choose one of the points and count 6 points on the left. Connect 1 and 6. Do the same thing with all points. After connecting all the points, the pattern should look like a star. Draw a temporary line between the vertices of the star and the center. Set your compass to 2 or 3 millimeters between the needle and the pencil. And start making markings on the temporary lines. You can use the compass to transfer the markings to all lines. We will connect all the markings to this corner and also to the opposite corner. In the same way, we must fill all the forms of our star. Tell me in the comments what do you think about the voiceover of these drawing videos. Do you prefer to listen to my instructions, or it is understandable enough without my instructions? I'm a little hesitant. It takes me more time and effort to make the instructions of a video, but at the same time I practice my English and I learn new words. And this is the finished drawing. You can cover it if you want.